watching Let's Talk Crypto. This is where you subscribe for daily Bitcoin updates and technical analysis. We track the price of Bitcoin as a proxy for the cryptocurrency markets at large. Today is December 1st, 2021, and I'm coming to you for the second time with an urgent update, right? It's not like, go call the cops, urgent, but it's urgent if you're in this link trade. There's something I'm seeing on the charts that I wanted to share with you all, okay? And this is something that is important because I was long and I got stopped out, okay? I was long link on leverage. I got stopped out. I got stopped out into profits, thankfully, right? If you are going to be trading, use proper risk management, manage your trade properly. If you're into profits, find a place to move your stops into profit so that even if you lose a trade, you don't lose money, right? Those are little things that you should do, and you should learn how to do. You can't do it too close to the price action, right? You have to let the trade develop, but at the point in time where you can put the stop into profit without getting in the way of the price going up and down, sort of gradually but trending up, then you do that, right? Anyway, I got stopped out into slight profit, but what I'm seeing is this, okay? Larger time frame, I did say that Link was a good trade to take because there was only two waves in this B wave, and we need a third impulsive wave. And the reason I think Link is a good trade to take for December is that it's impulsive in nature. Unlike Bitcoin that we see is all kinds of messy, right? The price action's all over the place. And right here, do you see this chop? It's very, very, very difficult to trade. If not, it's not impossible. Nothing's impossible, but very difficult, very challenging to trade. High probability that you're gonna lose in all of this chop, all of this volatility, right? In this B wave. I thought it was going to print a C wave, and it came right back into the trading range that it was in the B wave. So I don't really know what's going on with Bitcoin right now, other than that it's corrective, and that's one of the reasons we're not trading it, because corrective modes excuse me, are highly unpredictable, and they're not easy to trade, okay? And they're not easy to chart, they're not easy to trade. So that you know what you don't know. That being said, Link at present is also, if you look closely, in that sort of kind of same corrective mode, okay? And I was like, well, hold up. This is something that I thought should have been in impulsive mode, right? Because you have your B wave complete, A, B, C, right? But, right, you can't, price action doesn't just take off, it needs to pivot. And we should know this already. I should know this. And this is the pivot. This is clearly an A wave. If you look, right, we see this pattern all the time. So what can we expect after this? We should expect a B wave, and then our impulsive C wave, okay? So basically, be careful trying to long Link right now from here, because we're most likely going to form a B wave down beyond the base, beyond the base here of this A wave. So I expect Link to come to around here. Let's just take all of this away and use some retracement. I expect the price to come between the 1 and the 1, 2, 3, 6. That's typical of a B wave retracement. So anywhere between 21.7 and 22.8 or 22.6, right? I expect the B wave to come here. This would be a great entry, but be careful. I've learned you can either long on this B wave here at this point, which is a bottom point, and then you're going to have another sort of another kind of pivot for the C wave, right? And you're going to get your impulsive action. So you can get in here, you can get in here. But what I like to do, and I've learned this the hard way, the best, most conservative, it's not always the sexiest because you don't catch the absolute bottom, but it's by far the safest, is to wait for the impulse and then buy on the pullback. That's wave 2. Buy on the pullback. That's very safe. And then you can use the fibs to set your stop. Here, it's complicated. You can use the 1 and 1, 2, 3, 6, but it's not as consistent as buying here. So that's basically the quick update on Link. Just be very careful. I do foresee some downward price action. As you can see, Bitcoin is kind of crazy right now, but this to me is clearly an A wave. We're going to get a B wave, and then that's going to pivot into our impulsive price action that we can read more easily and that we can trade for good profit up to our target between 60 and 70. So that's it for me. Hope this was helpful. Hope this was useful. Trade safe, my friends. I'll see you tomorrow.